this is Tanya Rowling. I'm back with another video. Do watch my other videos as well. I would be teaching CBSE Class 10 Maths NCERT Syllabus and my sister Tina Lofus would be teaching CBSE Class 8 Maths NCERT Syllabus. Alright, now let's get into the video. Today we are going to be learning exercise 4.1, first question, fourth subdivision. Alright, now let's read the question. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. So the fourth subdivision is bracket x minus 3 close the bracket 2x plus 1 close the bracket is equal to x bracket x plus 5 close the bracket. So here also we are going to be doing the same thing which we did it in the previous subdivision, that is the third subdivision. Okay, so here also we are going to be multiplying it. Here also we can multiply it. Why? Because we have brackets. Okay. Alright, now let's do it. First of all, I would like to say how to multiply those stuffs. So first what we are going to do is, we are going to be multiplying this x term into 2x as well as the 1. Okay, so first we are going to be multiplying this x term with 2x plus 1. First let's do that. So what is x into 2x? So x into 2x is 2x square. Am I right? Why? Because we have x here, here also we have x. X into x is x square. So we just multiply it like that and we got 2x square. Okay. So now we are going to be multiplying x into 1. So x into 1 is x. Okay. So it is plus x. Why? Because here also positive sign, here also positive sign. So plus into plus is plus. That's why I wrote 2x square plus x. Now we are going to be multiplying this minus 3 with the 2x as well as the 1. So let me just show that. So as you guys know, we are going to be multiplying this minus 3 with 2x as well as 1. Okay, so let's multiply it. So first of all, let's multiply the values, not the sign. Okay, later on we can do it, that sign, those things and all. Why? Because it's for your understanding. Okay, so first of all, we shall multiply 3 into 2x. First of all, what is 3 2s are? So 3 2s are, it is 6. So let us write 6 and here we have x. So we can just write the x as it is. Why? Because here we don't have any variables or something. So I just wrote the x as it is. Okay. So what about the sign? So we are supposed to multiply the sign. Why? Because we have brackets. Okay. So minus into plus is minus. So it is minus 6x. Okay. So I am going to be multiplying minus 3 with the 1. Okay. Why? Because that is the rule. First of all, let's multiply the numbers. So 3 into 1 is 3. And what about the signs? We have minus here, here we have plus. So minus into plus is minus. So it is minus 3. So finally we just did those simplifications and all. Okay. So now let's write is equal to. So here what we are going to do is, we are going to be multiplying this x with this x as well as the 5. Okay. So how we did it here now? Here only we have only one variable. Okay. So don't get confused in this. Okay. So first we are going to be multiplying this x with this x. So in x into x is x square and x into 5 is plus 5x. Okay. So sign, how did I do it? Here I have positive, here also I have positive. So plus into plus is plus. So it is plus 5x. Alright. Now let's write 2x square as it is plus x minus 6x minus 3. Let's get this x square, these terms to the left side. When I get this x square to the left side, it changes into minus x square. And when I get this plus 5x to the left side, it changes into minus 5x and then we can just write is equal to 0. Okay. So here we are going to be finding the similar like terms. Okay. So the variables which are similar, no, those are called like terms. So here when you just look at this one, here we have, this is a like terms, here we have x, here also we have x, and here we have the square term and here we have the square term as well. So let me just mark it with black pen. Okay. So here we have the square term, here also we have the square term. Am I right? So first of all, let's do this one. Okay. So let's do it step by step, then it will be easy for you guys. Let's write the 2x square as it is. So here these are like terms. Am I right? So first of all we are going to be solving this one. So what is plus and minus? Plus and minus is minus. Then we are supposed to subtract x minus 6x. Okay. So what is the coefficient of x? The coefficient of x is 1. So we are supposed to subtract 1 minus 6. So what is 1 minus 6? So the 1 minus 6 is 5. Okay. So here, which is the greatest number sign? So here the greatest number is 6, which is minus sign. So we can just write the minus as it is. And of course we should write the x. Okay. Why? Because x is a common thing right over here. And then now we can write the rest of the terms as it is. That is minus 3 minus x square minus 5x is equal to 0. Okay. So as you guys know, we got certain values. So now we are going to be finding the like terms. It is really easy to find the like terms with the variables. Okay. So here we have 2x square and we are supposed to find the x square term. So when we just look at this one, we have the x square term right over here. Okay. So now let us solve that. So what is the sign for 2x square? So the sign for 2x square is plus and the x square sign is minus. So plus and minus is minus. Then we are supposed to subtract 2x square minus x. Okay. So here the coefficient is 2 and here the coefficient is 1. So 2 minus 1 is, of course it is 1. So no need to write 1. Why? Because we are going to be writing the x square term. I mean when we just subtracted, we got 1. Am I right? And that too we have a variable, that is x square. So I just took the x square as it is. So here what is the coefficient of x square? So the coefficient of x square is 1. So no need to write 1. Am I right? So here which is the greatest number? So 2 is the greatest number which has a positive sign. Here it is already in the form of positive, so no need to write plus. Okay. So now let us write the rest of the terms as it is, that is minus 5x and minus 3 minus 5x is equal to 0. Okay. So I just wrote all those things as it is. So now we are going to be finding the similar terms. So what are the similar terms? I mean the like terms. So here we have x term and here also we have x term. The two even the same values. Am I right? So now let us solve that one. Okay. So for that first we shall write x square and here we have minus. So minus and minus is plus. Okay. So minus and minus is plus. Then we are supposed to add 5x plus 5x. So what is 5 plus 5? 5 plus 5 is 10. And what about the variables? So we can write the x as it is and the greatest number sign. So here we have 5, here also we have 5. So both are equal number. So both the numbers have minus sign. Am I right? So we can write the minus as it is. And here we have the the constant term, that is minus 3. So we can write the minus 3 as it is and is equal to 0. So here we don't have any like term. So we can just stop it right over here. Okay. So I have a question for you guys. So do you guys think that this is a quadratic equation or what? So let's check it with the standard form. Okay. So what is the standard form? So the standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, it should not be equal to 0. So this is the constant term. So we should compare it with the constant term. Okay. So here we have x square term, here also we have x square, and here we have x term, and here also we have x term. Here we have constant term, here also we have a constant term. What about a? A should not it should not be equal to 0. So here what is the coefficient of a? So the coefficient of a is 1. Am I right? That means it is not equal to 0. So we can just prove that it is a quadratic equation. Okay. So we are supposed to compare with the standard form, especially the variables. Here c is a constant term. Constant term means a number. I mean the numerical value. Okay. So now what we can write? So we can write it is a quadratic equation. So finally we just solved it. Okay. So I just wrote it is a quadratic equation. Why? Because it was exactly similar to the standard form. Okay. Finally we just solved it.
Pretty sure that you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye.